Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Azure. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Azure Machine Learning Studio website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you do not have a Microsoft account, select the option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new account. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, look for the Create a Resource option in the sidebar. Click on Create a Resource to open the Resource Marketplace. In the search bar, type Machine Learning and select Machine Learning from the results. Click the Create button to start setting up your new machine learning workspace. Fill in the required fields, including subscription, resource group, and workspace name. Select the region where you want your workspace to be located. Adjust any additional settings as needed, such as pricing tier or networking options. Review your choices and click Review plus Create at the bottom of the page. Once your configuration is validated, click the Create button to provision the workspace. Wait a few moments for Azure to set up your machine learning workspace. Once the deployment is complete, navigate to the resource by selecting Go to Resource. You are now within Azure Machine Learning Studio. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can start creating experiments and models right away using the tools provided. Explore additional resources and documentation to enhance your skills. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Azure Machine Learning Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.